Hey, everybody. How are you doing? It is Jennifer Woolsey here. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to 5 Minutes with Jennifer. I don't really even know what this is called. I just challenged myself to come out and just share more of my thoughts and be more authentic with my friends that are here on Facebook, and just to share a little bit of what I'm going through, and I know probably a lot of you guys are going through, and maybe this is something that will lift us all up, right? So say hello whenever you hop in. Let me know that you're here. Say hi, share this video. Somebody else may need to hear this today. So I don't know about you guys, but this back to school stuff is a mess for everybody, for the teachers, for the staff, for the kids. It's just a mess. And so we had a plan, and then the plan changed, and so we had to kind of do a 360, which put all of our teachers and all of our staff in a different tailspin too, for our students, which are only 2 of the students that are going to the school in our town, which is tons of kids. And so I've been kind of stressed out about trying to get everything done, and and just trying to make sure everything's right for my kids, because of course they're my top priority. And your kids, let me know, are your kids going back to school? Are you homeschooling? How are you feeling about things? How's your stress level? Anyway, I had a meltdown today, and I had to step away and really pray and think about it and kind of just reflect for a minute that, you know what, sometimes we need to give ourselves grace. Grace is that forgiveness that sometimes we hold ourselves to such a high standard that other people would never hold us to. And so it's important to just step back for a second and give yourself grace, even when you feel like you're doing everything in the world wrong. And that has been my day, my week, just feeling like I'm not good enough, I'm not doing enough, I'm not putting enough things in order to get things right for my kids and for my business, for my team, for the people, my family, the people that depend on me. So it's crazy. I skipped my morning devotion this morning, which I normally do pretty regularly. And so after I had my little meltdown and I prayed about it, and I kind of sat down at my desk to try to refocus, I read my daily devotion, and this was the scripture. And now I entrust you to God and the message of his grace, that it is able to build you up and give you an inheritance with all those he has set apart for himself. Acts 20:32. So if you're struggling today with giving yourself grace and knowing that, feeling like you are not doing something right, you're not doing enough, maybe you're homeschooling for the first time and you're super stressed, you're trying to get your kids on virtual learning and you're super stressed, or you're sending your kids back to school and you're super stressed, know that he gave us grace. He that created us created grace for us, for our eternal life, but also for us to live each day knowing that he's in control and he's got this. And so whenever you get to that point that you're giving yourself grace, remember to give grace to those people around you. There's a lot of people going through a lot of stuff right now, with all the COVID stuff, and with all the stuff that the teachers are going through, and the administration, grandparents, parents, everybody is under some sort of stress right now, whether it be fear, whether it be money stress, whatever it is, people are going through stress. So give other people grace too. And sometimes that just means a smile, maybe it's a hug, maybe it's a phone call to check on somebody and just let them know that, hey, you love them and you're thinking about them or you're praying for them. And be what he calls us to be his hands and feet. And so I don't know what you guys are struggling with today. This is something I'm struggling with. If you want some more info about grace, if you want me to share some more scriptures with you, I've got more that I can share with you. But I'm giving myself grace today, and I'm giving you grace. So I love you guys. think about it, pray about it. Remember to forgive yourself and to forgive others. And we're going to make it through this. I know we are, because I know how it ends. I've read the book. So I hope you all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Share this video. Somebody else may need to hear this today and may need to be reminded of God's grace for us. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys.